1999 Chevy Corvette LS3 swapped. He made sure I say that. You can see from the badging. He just bought it too. He's like, I gotta fix the exhaust. He said, you came to the right guy. He's a good friend of mine. We've done a lot of work on all of his cars in the past, so we gotta hook him up. Long tube headers, X-pipe, 3-inch exhaust all the way and over. And then it was rubbing there, so we just patched it for him. It's just a small hole. Oh, we took it off, patched it. We're like, it's too quiet. Take these mufflers off. So we took the mufflers off and put them on muffler delete with new tips. All custom. We had to do custom hangers. A lot of custom stuff to make it all fit. But it came out absolutely magnificent. Look at that. Really clean, really nice. And I'm glad we took the mufflers off because this was on the top of them. So we didn't see them, but they were all shot. Look at that. Somebody patched them before he bought it. And we didn't even know. And it just sounded really horrible. So now it's going to sound nice and clean. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. LS3 swapped. Chevy Corvette, fully straight piped with an X-pipe out the back with quad 4-inch tips. Everybody in the neighborhood knows that he drives a Corvette. You guys don't know we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. What a beautiful car. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital. How far back I'm standing and it's still loud. You did that! Pop. Rev it! Stand behind it and let him do it. You'll feel it in your chest. Let him stand behind it. Go ahead. You feel it in your chest. It's crazy. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Go ahead. Wow, it sounds the same inside and outside. Yeah, it sounds good. It's a clean looking car. Here we go. 99 Corvette with an LS3 convertible 6.2 liters. Here and it hit 116. That's crazy. Enjoy it. so much fun. You can tell he's having fun with it. I love it. Enjoy, guys.
3 days later.
So the vet is back already from last week because he couldn't take it no more. He said, I love it, but it's just too loud. As you guys can hear, it's loud. We're gonna rev it to its peak for you guys before we change it up one last time. And I asked the owner, he was okay with it. So I don't want to hear any comments. Go ahead. So after much brainstorming and ideaing, we were gonna do cutouts right here in the middle. There's no space for the actuator. It'll just be hanging down too low. And we were gonna install these titanium mufflers. They were off a Z06. So they were gonna be bolt-on because, you know, we let you guys hear it. It's fully straight piped right now, but he just can't take the noise no more. So the cutouts won't work. So what are we gonna do? Is we're gonna take these Valvetronic mufflers and we're gonna put them in there and then take this pipe, run it all the way around into there, and then it comes out to here. And then that way he can have the best of both worlds thanks to Valvetronic mufflers. So we're gonna run it from here over and into this inlet right here on the back side, right here, and then back out this way into the tips. And we're gonna tuck in the tips a little bit. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a fun little project. It's going to take a few hours, but with the magic of YouTube, a few seconds. Stay tuned. When I tell you guys, if there's a will, there's a way. There it is. First Valvetronics on these beautiful Corvettes, custom, that you're going to see anywhere on the internet. Check it out. So that's how they look like under there. That is a sick look. I like it. Custom to the max. Look at that. As long as it's fun and there's space, we will make it work. Because that's just what we do here at Exhaust Addicts. You guys don't know how Valvetronics works? This valve opens, it becomes straight pipe. Valve is closed, it goes through the muffler and then back out. And it becomes quiet. There you go. But cool, huh? Hope you guys like it. We'll keep you guys updated. So we got a Corvette with an LS3 6.2 liter motor swap. You guys heard it earlier. We showed you earlier what it sounded like with straight pipes. Now we're going to show you what we did to it. So it's got long tube headers. We didn't touch any of this. X pipe, we didn't do that either. Mid pipe, we didn't do that either. Tail pipes, we didn't do that either. Then we went over here where it was straight pipe and cut them out and put Valvetronic design mufflers there and right there. As you guys can see, look at that. Beautiful Valvetronics, custom fitted. Had to go through here, all the way in there. Let me show you on the other side. Under there, and it goes in there. Then it goes through the muffler, and then back out to the tips on each side. Same thing on this side. Just a pretty work of art. We're good at that at Exhaust Addicts. So, and there it is with the tips out the back. He wanted them tucked more this time, so we tucked them in nicely for him. There's the two Valvetronic mufflers, just chilling. Compared to the straight pipes we had on it before that we cut off too. We custom did that last week, and he's like, I enjoyed it over the weekend, but it's too loud. I want to be able to drive it and control it. So that's why we came up with the Valvetronics for him. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. This is Valvetronic's universal muffler kit, and we custom bent and installed everything for it, okay? This is with the valves closed, by the way. A lot better. That's valves closed. Here's idle. Right at 82. Give it gas. So it's loud, but not crazy loud. It's clean. it's more manageable. I can actually keep I don't have to wear the ear muffs. Again, Valvetronic designs. Here's sound decibels again. So it's right at 105. Again. All right, now round 2 is valves open. Here we go. Valvetronic designs mufflers, valves open. The cam still clean though. It's a lot cleaner than straight pipe. Give a guess. Again. That's valves open, guys. Here's sound decibels. Right at 121. 121. That's insane. Again. What a beast, man. I love it. You can hear that cam. It's built. Yeah. It's got an LS3 in it. 6.2 liter. Yeah, it won't be as loud. No. It'll be clean. Yeah. So that's valves open, guys. We'll leave it on valves open and have him back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Our address is right there, 3560. That's our phone number. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike. So this is Valvetronics, valves open outside. Go ahead. They sound so good. Again. And it's got a beautiful stance to it too. Look at that. All right, guys, this is valves closed. Valvetronic design mufflers. Valves closed. LS3 swapped. Chevy Corvette. Give a guess. That sounds so good. Again. All right. I'm gonna let you guys hear on the inside. LS3 swapped, cam, headers, full 3-inch system, and then the star of the show is the Valvetronic designs mufflers. This is with valves closed. Here we go. So that's valves closed. And then we got a stock vet right here. He's gonna bring back, and we're gonna do the same thing to his. Get on it. So that's what a stock one sounds like compared to the Valvetronics one. Tell me which one you guys like more, the stock one or the Valvetronics one? I like the Valvetronics one myself. Again, that's valves closed, guys. That Taurus ruined the clip a little bit, but it's okay. But that's valves closed. Here we go. All right, valves Open Chevy Corvette, LS3 swap, long tube headers, and cam, and all that good stuff. With Valvetronic design mufflers. Here we go. Look at the difference. Oh my God, be smooth. That's a huge difference right there. You gotta admit, that's some raw power right there. Wow, what a beaut. Enjoy, guys. Here we go, guys. Valves open, drive-by Valvetronic designs. It's like a bullet, dude. Silver bullet for sure. Man, that sounds good. Woo! Are you happy and satisfied, sir?
Hell yes.
Enjoy it, bro. Valvetronics did what they do best, didn't they?
Yes.
All right. Enjoy it, bro. That's a drive off right there. Please move. That's the owner of the car driving it now. So that's the last drive off for you guys. Enjoy. All right, guys, this is valves closed now. Here we go. And we tucked them in. Is that good? That's the most we can tuck them in. That's perfect, I think. Get some black paint and paint that pipe, okay? It'll look cleaner. See, it became like a stock Corvette. You notice that? Yeah. It became like nothing's on it. I love it. He's got this diesel. He fully took everything off of it. You guys wanted more diesels? That's a full 5-inch system. Turbo back. Deleted. He did it himself, so there you go.